Fruitful Allure, a journey through nature's bounty. In the heart of nature's embrace, we find a treasure trove of flavors, colors, and nutrition, fruits. Welcome to Fruitful Allure, a captivating journey that explores the enchanting world of fruits, uncovering their role in nature, culture, and our daily lives. Nature's harvest. Fruits are nature's gifts, an outcome of intricate pollination processes. Orchards are the result of human collaboration with nature, nurturing and preserving these treasures. From apple orchards to tropical plantations, fruits are the culmination of our partnership with the earth. Fruits are essential for the survival of many species. They are nature's currency of energy and life, providing sustenance and aiding in seed dispersal. In this intricate web of life, fruits play a vital role in maintaining biodiversity. Delights for the senses. Fruits are culinary treasures, offering a diverse range of flavors and textures. They add depth to our cuisines and elevate our dining experiences. From refreshing salads to decadent desserts, fruits are the versatile stars of the culinary world. Fruits are not only a feast for the palate but also for the senses. Their vibrant colors and fragrances inspire the world of perfumery and cosmetics. In the enchanting scents and hues of fruits, we discover their influence in art and personal care. Cultural riches. Fruits have held symbolic meanings in cultures across the world. For centuries, they are associated with fertility, prosperity, and celebrations. From pomegranates in ancient Greece to oranges in Chinese New Year, fruits are woven into the tapestry of human traditions. Fruits often appear in folklore and mythology as magical or mystical elements, representing the mysteries and wonders of the natural world. Through storytelling, fruits become enchanting symbols of the unknown, the miraculous, and the extraordinary, nurturing our future. Sustainability in fruit farming is crucial. Practices like organic farming and fair trade ensure a healthier planet. As consumers, we have the power to support sustainable practices that protect both the environment and the future of fruits. Innovation in fruit cultivation and breeding is shaping the future. We explore unique varieties and technologies to enhance flavors and nutrition. Fruitful Allure has taken us on a journey through the world of fruits, from their vital roles in nature to their diverse cultural significance and culinary delights. These delectable gifts of nature are more than just food. They are a celebration of life itself. As we savor the tastes, colors, and stories of fruits, let us remember that they connect us to the earth's abundance and remind us of our responsibility to nurture and protect it.